Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator shelf in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator shelf. There are 3 identical refrigerator shelves used in the fresh food compartment. All 3 are located in the upper portion of the fresh food section. The main reason to replace the refrigerator shelf is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove the shelf, we need to lift up the front end and then slide it out. This is the old refrigerator shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install this glass shelf, we need to place the end of it onto the rails here, so the hooks interlock, and then put it down and slide it all the way in. And now, when we're done, let's close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.